So today we are going to solve Codeforces Round 907 Division 2 first problem, that is sorting with 2's. So here is the problem statement. You are given an array of integers a1, a2 up to an. In one operation you can do the following. Choose a non-negative integer m such that 2 raised to power m less than equal to n. Subtract 1 from ai for all integers I such that I belongs to 1 to 2 raised to power m. Can you sort the array in non-decreasing order by performing some number, possibly 0 of operations? Okay, so basically the thing is that we are given an array and we have to uh, perform some operations so that the net array should be in ascending order. Okay, and if we can't do that, then we have to simply print no. Okay, and what are the operations which we have to follow? So we have to subtract 1 from the elements of array such that firstly we have to choose an integer m and we have to go up to 2 raised to power m position. Okay, so from 1 up to 2 raised to power m, we have to go from 1 up to 2 raised to power m and we have to subtract 1 from each of the element. Okay, so the see here the constraint that here n is 20. Okay, here n is 20, so the maximum size of the array is 20. So basically you can perform operations when your position is either 1, 2 raised to power 0 which is 1, or 2 raised to power 1 which is 2. So likewise 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay, so basic thing is that. So let's check an example. So in this array the index of each elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, these are index. Okay, so just see here that we have to sort this array in ascending order. So to do so we will iterate from last. Okay na, so if this last element, if the current element is greater than the previous element, then we will not do any type of operation. Okay, this 4 is equal to 4. Okay, so we will not do any type of operation on this element. Okay, now we will go on next iteration. Then this 4 is greater than this 3. Okay, so again this is in ascending order, so we will not do any type of operation here. Again we will go for next step. So this 3 is less than 5. Okay, so we have to subtract some number from 5 so that these two elements are in ascending order. Okay, so how we will do that? We have to choose one m so that the position is between 1 to so that the position 2 raised to power m is between 1 to n. Okay, so the basic thing is that check here, we have to change this 5. Okay, so what is the position of 5, which is 2? Okay, so we can perform the operation here because this 2 is can be written in the form of, this 2 can be written in the form of 2 raised to power 1. Okay, so yeah, so we can perform operation from this second position up to first position. Okay, so what we will do, we will make this 5 to 3. Okay, how we will do that? We will subtract 2 from this and same way we will subtract 2 from here. Okay, so our next array will be what? This will become 4, this will become 3, this will become 3, this will become 4 and this will become 4. Okay, now again our this element became equal to this element. Okay, so next we will go on this element. Okay, and again we will check if this element is smaller than this element, its previous element. Okay, then again we will do the same operation. So now check the position of this element, the previous one element. Its position is 1, which can be written in the form of 2 raised to power m, 2 raised to power 0. Okay, so yeah, we can perform operation here. Okay, so we will subtract 4 up to 3. So what will be the net array? The net array will be 3, 3, 3, 4 and 4. So now this is our final array, this is our final array which is sorted, which is sorted. Okay, so our answer is yes. So our answer is yes. Next we will check another example. So let's see this example. First we will give the position of all the elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now we will iterate from last. Okay, so if this last element is smaller than its previous one, then we will check this. So we will check this element. Okay, the position of this element, which is 8, which can be converted in the form of 2 raised to power m. So how we will write 8? 8 is equal to 2 raised to power 3. Okay, so we can perform the operation here. Okay, so what we will do, we will subtract 1 from position 1 up to position 8. So this will become 5, this will become 4, 4, 7, 4, 5, 5, 7, and this will become 7. Okay, again, now we will come on this element. If this element is greater than its previous one, then we will not perform any type of operation. If this element is greater than its previous one, then we will not perform any type of operation. Similarly up to here. Okay, now for this 4, if this 4 is less than 7, okay, so we have to perform operation here. Okay, now so we will check for its previous element. If this previous element position is in the form of 2 raised to power m, so 4 can be written in 2 raised to power 2. So yeah, so you can perform the operation. So what we will do, you will you will make this 7 to 4. Okay, so how will you make 4? Subtract 3, so this will become 2, this will become 1, this will become 1, this will become 4, 4, 5, 5, 7, 7. Okay, now similarly up to here. Now this 1 is smaller than 2, then find the position of this one. Find the position of its previous element. So this 2, the previous element of 2 is 1, the position of this 2 is 1. So 1 can be written in the form of 2 raised to power 0. So yeah, we can perform the operation here. So we will convert it into 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, 5, 5, 7, 7. Okay, so this array is sorted. So our answer is yes. Okay, now check one no answer. Okay, so let's check this code. This test case. So in this test case, what is the position? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now what we will do here, we will start from last, and if its previous element is greater than this, then we will check for the position of this previous element, which is 5. So here 5 cannot be converted in the form of 5 cannot be converted in the form of 2 raised to power m. Okay, so simply our answer is no. Okay, and we will break the loop. Okay, so yeah, this is the basic logic behind this. Let's check the code. So I have taken here input in a vector, and if the size of vector is 1, then you can simply print yes. Okay, because the array is already sorted. Else you will iterate from the last index, which is n minus 1, and if your this vj element is smaller than its previous element, then you will do the operation. Okay, so how will do the operation? You will go for only these indexes. Okay, if j is equal to 1 or 2 or 4 or 8 or 16. Why we have taken these numbers? Because our constraint is up to 20. Okay, so only these 5 cases are possible for this constraint. Okay, and if you will go to j equal to 0, then you can simply make vj equal to vj plus 1. Okay, and your array will be sorted or not sorted, we will check through this for loop. Okay, if this counter is equal to n minus 1, then your array is sorted, you can simply print yes, otherwise you will print no. So this is the basic logic behind this. I hope all of you understood this. Still, if you have any doubt, you can comment down below. Thank you.